What's up, y'all? It is Dancemachine45. Hi, how are y'all doing? Again, I am Dancemachine45. I am a professional hip-hop dancer. And, I want to give y'all, my top 5 dancer tips. So, here we go. 1, practice. Practice. That's my number 1. Practice. Every time, every day, the most you can, because it's only gonna help you become a better dancer. 2, take classes along with practicing. That rolls into the practice. Take plenty of classes, and just take whatever class that is. Like if it's hip hop, ballet, or anything. Just don't take that one class, take all of them, because whatever you're trying to perfect yourself in is just gonna help you more perfect yourself in it, okay? Like for myself, I took ballet and jazz for like 2 or 3 years just so I can perfect my hip hop. Tip number 3, let's see. Ooh, this is hard actually. Tip number 3. Perform. Get yourself out there. That's the tip for tip number 3, I guess. Yeah, get out there and perform. Dude, get out there. Cause honestly, if you wanna like be a professional dancer and stuff, you gotta get yourself out there. You gotta make sure that this is actually what you want to do, and you're not gonna know until you actually do it. Cause like myself. Once I got on stage for the first time ever, I was like, yo, this is what I'm gonna do for the rest of my life. This is like the best thing ever. 4, eat. You gotta eat healthy. A healthy body is a healthy dancer. Sometimes I might dabble into the junk food just to get me some little weight on me, but you gotta stay healthy, because you don't want to burn out your energy being a dancer, because energy takes everything. With the flow of dancing, when you got to get your flow out there, alright, so now that has to be a healthy energy and soul, And 5, rest. You gotta rest, because if you don't rest, you won't be able to. Your body becomes sluggish. All right. Even though you can dance, practice every day, single day, but if you don't rest and calm your body down, get your body to relax, you need that. All right. So that's my top 5. So it's practice, take classes, perform, eat, and sleep. You do those things, you can become an awesome dancer. But that's my tips for being a dancer. And again, Dancemachine45, please follow me on my Instagram. It's official Dancemachine45. Also follow me on TikTok, that's what I'm on that as well. It is Dancemachine45. So I want to thank y'all. Dance Machine out.